Unlock the best food dehydrator machine. Make your own delicious treats with Septree. Imagine creating healthy, delicious snacks right in your own kitchen. With the best food dehydrator machine, it's easier than you think. In this video, we review the Septree food dehydrator machine. Let's explore how this amazing appliance can transform your cooking. The Septree Commercial Large 8-Tray Food Dehydrator is designed for home cooks and small businesses alike. It boasts a spacious 8.8 square feet of drying space. You can dehydrate everything from fruits and vegetables to meats and herbs. This dehydrator features 8 food-grade stainless steel trays. It can hold up to 10 pounds of raw meat. The 24-hour timer and adjustable temperature control, 70 to 190 degrees, give you precise control. The Septree dehydrator uses an advanced airflow system for even drying. No need to rotate trays. The digital control knob allows you to set the timer and temperature with accuracy. Safety is paramount. The auto shutoff and overheat protection features ensure worry-free operation. The double-row vents accelerate water vapor discharge, improving efficiency. Made with food-grade stainless steel and a glass front door, it's built to last. The transparent door lets you monitor the drying process easily. Plus, it operates at a relatively quiet 45-50 dB. The Septree dehydrator comes with everything you need to get started. This includes 8 stainless steel drying trays, 4 non-stick silicone sheets, and a drip tray. You also get silicone gloves, 2 storage containers, a user manual, and a recipe book. The stainless steel trays are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The included accessories enhance your dehydrating experience. The recipe book provides inspiration for your culinary creations. With a 4.5-star rating and over 1,000 reviews, users rave about the Septree dehydrator. One reviewer on Amazon calls it the best and praises its build quality and easy maintenance. Read more reviews on the product page. Another user highlights its versatility, mentioning they've used it almost every day for fruits and veggies. They also appreciate the included accessories and easy cleaning. Check out the Septree dehydrator on Amazon. The Septree 8-Tray Food Dehydrator offers a perfect blend of capacity, precision, and safety. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability. The included accessories and user-friendly design make it ideal for both beginners and experienced dehydrators. Compared to other models, Septree stands out with its even drying system and quiet operation. The positive customer reviews speak volumes about its performance and reliability. Don't wait any longer to start creating your own healthy, delicious snacks. Visit the Septree store on Amazon today to learn more and make your purchase. Click the link to explore the Septree dehydrator and take control of your food. Please like, share, and subscribe.